welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'm going to make jerk pork. I have my pork here that's already clean. I use some lime to wash it. You can use vinegar if you want, or you can mix them both. Nothing ain't wrong with that. Alright, so I'm going to marinate this overnight. So the longer it marinates, you know, so I better it tastes. Alright, so we're going to do this overnight. So first my pork is there. I have some lovely piece here. So we're going to do this in the oven. You know, you can do it in a jerk pan, but we don't have a jerk pan on hand, so we're going to do it in the oven and it's going to taste good. Alright, so get my oil, just a little olive oil. I'm going to pour over it because we're going to lock the season in. Make sure your hand clean before you touch your food. Alright, so we're just going to rub that up. Special, just rub it all over the pork. You can do this with the chicken as well. All right, so that's beautiful. So what I'm gonna do first, I have some jerk marinade here. I already have this on my channel, so you guys can go and watch it if you have not. This is really good for your jerk pork, your jerk chicken, and your jerk fish. It's amazing. So you guys must be wondering why I have so much, because I have a lot more pork than this to season. I have about say like 15 or 20 pounds, yes. We're gonna season, but I'm just doing this for you guys. So here, it's roughly like say 4 pounds of pork I have here. So I just do what's that, 5 teaspoons roughly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to rub everything together. Guys, remember before cooking and cleaning after we wash them, because the season is very hot. Scotch bonnet, pepper and all and thing they are going in this. So we're going to massage it in. You can use your gloves if you want. Me personally don't like to use a glove, so I'm just going to get it in with my hand. Wow, this smells really good already. Oh yeah. And I have some onion powder here, garlic powder I'm gonna add. Even though it's already in the jerk marinade, we're gonna add a little bit to that. And some all-purpose. And some jerk season, but dry rub. So this is some jerk season I got from the store. This is the dry rub. So we're just gonna add some over it. So we're just going to use 1 teaspoon of it. I'm going to leave everything in the description, guys, so you'll have it there. So this is for all the pork lovers, okay? Vegetarian and vegan. I have something coming for you guys soon, okay? So all of the pork lovers in the world, come over yourself. Alright, so I'm just going to clean my hands for my dry seasoning. Alright. So I'm just going to add a little onion powder. Say 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Another teaspoon of garlic powder. So little. I have some Ms Dash here. I personally love garlic and herb. I'm just gonna add a little. You don't have to add your Ms Dash. If you don't have it, that's fine. You can, you don't have to, as I said. I'm gonna use just a little original seasoning as well for Ms Dash. So use 1 teaspoon of that. Then we have our all-purpose season. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of that. Just going to use So this is just say 2 teaspoons. We'll add a little all-purpose seasoning in it and a little pork season. What is jerk pork without some nice flavor to the thing, alright? So now we're just going to massage that in like that. And then we're going to use like a plastic wrap and just cover our pork, and then we're going to put it in the fridge. Nice. Nice and easy like Sunday morning. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice piece of pork. Guys, I love my jerk pork with festival. Comment down below and let me know what you love your jerk pork with. Alright, so this is beautiful, and I'm just going to cover that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Okay guys, so this is my pork that was marinated from last night. I did go ahead and had a few pieces off camera. So here it is. So we're going to put it in the pan, and then we're going to put it in the oven for it to be jerked. So I'm just going to remove the plastic wrap. Like that. And we're going to put this in the oven at 370. We're going to do an hour and 40 minutes for this. Oh my god, guys, this smells so lovely. Look at this. Beautiful. So guys, if you have a pork like this, you can jerk it, or you have the big chunk, that's fine, you can do so too. So alright, so I have my bacon in there. I'm just gonna add a few pieces in there like that. This is lovely. Oh, this smells so good. I also have a few other pieces. I'm just going to put there like that. They smell lovely. Guys, I wish you were here to smell this. So this is beautiful. Nice. All right. Okay guys, so now I have my beer. I'm just going to open that, because what is jerk pork without beer? So this is a bigger size bottle than the normal beer that we have. So normally use half of that, but we're going to use less than half of this. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pour it over the pork like that. And we'll put it in the oven. After an hour, I'm going to take it out, and we'll see if it needs a little more beer or what. So after an hour, I'll go back to show you the pork. Beautiful. And I'm going to put that in the oven. Nice. Into the oven like this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to place it in the oven, and I'll be back to show you after an hour. Sorry guys, I forgot to put my foil on. So you put the foil on before you put it in the oven, and after an hour we're going to remove it for it to get that nice color. Alright. Nice. Okay guys, so I'm just going to place it in the oven, and I'll be back to show you after an hour, as I said before. Okay guys, so I'm gonna check. This is after an hour. So I'm just gonna remove the foil. Don't be like me guys, very gloves. There's a lot of heat coming from it. look beautiful. Nice. So I'm just gonna check and see how it's going. So I'm just gonna cut a piece with this one. Woo! Look at that. Oh guys, this is soft. Almost ready. So we're just gonna put it back in the oven without the cover for it to get the color. And I'm just gonna taste this piece. That's beautiful. And I'll be back to show you the finishing touch. Okay guys, so that's the end of my jerk pork. I hope you learned something and you'll try it. So big up all of the pork lovers. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.